A logo holds significant importance for a business for several reasons. A logo communicates ownership and tells potential customers about the type of product or service a business offers, helping to establish brand identity and recognition. It provides a visual symbol that represents the company, making it easier for customers to remember and identify the brand. A well-designed logo can effectively communicate the message and values of a business, inspiring loyalty and instilling a love for effective design. It plays a crucial role in creating a first and lasting positive impact on the viewers and the target audience, helping to develop loyalty and trust. Logos are front and center of all marketing materials, such as business cards, flyers, and advertisements, making them a vital part of building a successful business and brand. They provide a visual identity and serve as a recognizable symbol of the organization, critical for brand recognition and success. Customers form an opinion about a company within seconds, and a well-designed logo conveys to potential customers that the business is professional, trustworthy, and provides quality goods or services. Having a professionally designed logo helps a business stand out from competitors and meet consumer expectations for reliability and professionalism. Logos play a crucial role in creating a first impression on consumers, with studies showing that a well-designed logo can contribute to developing loyalty and making a positive impact on first-time purchasers. Logo is not just a visual element, it is a critical component of a business's identity, communication, and success. It serves as a powerful tool for brand recognition, communication, and establishing trust with customers. To get the best professional logo design service, click on the link in description. Enjoying the content? Consider subscribing to join our community and stay updated with our latest videos. Your support helps us continue creating great content for you.